All right, everyone, we're here at the factory now, ready for the first step with this raw material. Wow, this is seriously heavy. And it's this thick, completely solid. We're going to hollow this out and turn it into the outer casing for our Super X. It ends up so thin and light, but it actually starts as this huge piece of raw material, precision carved and hollowed out by a CNC machine. So everyone, follow along and let's see step by step how the Super X casing is made. All right, everyone, this piece of raw material has now completed the first process. It's much shinier and looks a lot better, right? This first step was for positioning. It added these positioning holes here. And now it's time to move on to the second process. All right, everyone, we've now come to our second process, which is to hollow out the inner cavity. The inside of this plate is carved out, creating the shapes for the speakers and the other internal structures. So now the inside is completely empty. Next, we'll move on to our third process. All right, everyone, it's very late now. We just finished hollowing out the side openings. This is for our audio, the sound outlet for our Harman speakers. And here are some of our ports, buttons, and the heat dissipation vents on top have also been carved out. Next, let's take a look at the next process. All right, everyone, this is the finished product that was just carved out. I can hold it easily with just one hand now. To go from a whole solid block of aluminum to this hollowed out frame, it's really light. This is the outer casing for our device. It really went through so many steps, everyone. Building a real product is incredibly hard, so we hope you'll all show your support and give us plenty of likes.